Now moving on to Ms. Neha Chadda. Neha, what new policies did A4 Technologies introduced during the pandemic and how it has benefited the employees? Over to you, Neha.
Yeah, so there were a lot of things that changed last year. So was the way in which we had to deal with it. All of us started working from home, and we thought that this is going to continue for some time. It's like back then when pandemic hit us, it was March 2020, and we all thought that it might take some time, 3 to 6 months, and definitely it will end. And honestly speaking, towards January, February timeframe, we did have hope. Even now, we see light at the end of the tunnel. But during January, February timeframe, we thought that this will come to an end. But somehow, as an organization, we had this vision that this will not end too soon. And thus, we introduced internet allowance back in the month of June. So all of us get internet allowance as a part of our salary in the time frame when most of the companies were laying off and IT was hit the worst. So IT people used to always say, I'm not very sure how long will I continue to work. So in the month of July, when most of the people from IT industry had this fear, we started giving away performance incentives. Those were given to high achievers, people who contributed day in and day out in spite of the pandemic, in spite of the emotional turmoil that they were going through. We thought that it is time to recognize their efforts and we started performance incentive. There were employees, in some cases, even their family members, where they were affected by COVID 19. And last year, now we have pretty stable medical infrastructure available. Doctors know the line of treatment. But last year, it was little jittery when we used to come to know that somebody is detected with COVID 19. And no one had actually planned for this pandemic, right? So we thought that we should do something differently, something extra for employees, and we introduced COVID 19 insurance. This was something apart from the medical insurance policy that we already had in place. We thought that introducing this will give people some peace of mind and they can plan things if at all someone is affected in the family. Again, one additional thing which I'm extremely proud of in sharing, when the other organizations were laying off, when economy was hit badly, we saw economic downturn. We initiated performance appraisal process in December 2020 and we completed in January 2021. We had appraisals happening when most of the people were facing salary cuts. Most of the people were facing getting laid off from the companies, something like that. We were one of the very few companies that had appraisals during this time frame.
Big round of applause for all the policies introduced by A4. I mean, no layoffs during the pandemic, and on top of it, appraisals and performance incentives were just too good. I mean, hats off to the management and you and your team. Yeah. I must say, we all got benefited from the amazing policies that were introduced during the pandemic. Internet allowance and COVID 19 insurance for employees were some of the champion policies introduced. It helped us cope up with the pandemic better. After all, the secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new.